I'm going to put this minigun on my head. Oh boy. Now I feel awesome with it on. Oh, not my dad yet again.
Fergus. Don't tell me that you're wearing that minigun on your head. Because I already knew that you put that thing on your head.
Yes?
Oh my god. Fergus. How dare you wear that minigun on your head? That's it. You're grounded for 55 weeks. Get that thing off your head this instant. Now go to bed.
What?